Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Minisforum new 12th generation mini PC with dual Thunderbolt 4 design. So friend, Minisforum has unveiled new Intel 12th mini PC NUCG5 with dual 40GB PS Thunderbolt 4 ports, and friend, it is equipped with powerful Intel Core i5 1240 chip and the NUCG5, and the NUCG5 is even more powerful, capable and affordable for the age, business and home. And friend, the Intel Core i5 1240p is a mid-range Elder Lake P family SoC with 12 cores and 16 threads, and it has 12 MB of L3 cache and operates a 1700 MHz by default, but it can boost up to 4.4 GHz depending on the workload, and it also integrates the ATU Intel Iris Xe graphics that can run up to 1.30 GHz. And the dual Thunderbolt 4 ports design makes it stand out among other members. And friend, other ports includes RJ45 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, USB 3.2 Type A2 ports front, USB 3.2 Type A port rear, and USB 2.0 Type A port rear, and 3.5 combo jack and HDMI 2.02 ports. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.